So before we go into the partnership operations problems, I want to talk about one interesting point you're going to see pop up in the problems. And that deals with the problem that focuses on separately stated versus non-separately stated items. You're going to see an interesting thing pop up. And that deals with the partnership is going to sell land or real property that is considered an investment. Well, the idea, you see I'm wearing a construction worker outfit. The idea is that depending on what that partnership is, makes a big difference in terms of that item. So if that land is considered an investment, long-term capital gain to the partnership, then that's going to be a separately stated item. But if the partnership, let's say we change around the facts, you're going to see this pop up in the problem. Let's say the partnership is a developer of land and real property. Well, now that land or real property is considered inventory because you're a developer of land. That's what you deal with. That's you deal in your normal course of business with the land you're developing or the real property you're developing. So now it becomes inventory, and if you're selling off inventory resulting in ordinary, now it's no longer separately stated. Now it's lumped together with bottom line ordinary income under section 702(8)(a), and it makes a difference. So I want to stress that. I want to stress that it makes a big difference. Also want to stress that it's a function of the partnership, not the partners. We don't look at the individual partners and what they would have done with the land, right? You could have a partnership that's an investor in the land, and then you have a partner that's a developer of land that would be ordinary in their hands. No, it's what the partnership does. But again, if we change up the partnership, it makes a big difference. So keep that in mind. Just remember this outfit, the construction worker, because it makes a difference, right? If I'm a non-construction or non-developing partnership, that's going to be treated as long-term capital gain from that sale of that land because we're an investor. But once we're now a developer, a construction worker, it now changes, and that makes a big difference. And that shows you how complex tax is, especially partnership tax, how it makes a difference in one situation versus another. You got to look at the facts and circumstances. All right, so now let's jump into the problems and have some fun with those problems.